Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix transfer not going through the Deutsche Bank app. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak internet can interrupt transfer. Then, make sure you have enough balance in your account. Insufficient funds will stop the transfer. Then, check that the account number and bank details are verified. Wrong details can transfer failure. Make sure you're entering the correct TAN or verification code. Sometimes the bank servers may be busy. Wait a few minutes and try again. Also, head over to your app store, search for the Deutsche Bank app and update the app to avoid technical errors. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank transfer not going through. Subscribe for more banking guides.